Hi guys, I'm Nathan.
And I'm a ghost.
And this is Nelly Smile, please. Michael asked us to do the YouTube survey.
And we're doing it.
Yeah. So, first question. Why are you called that?
Why are we called what?
Nelly Smile, please.
Okay, well when I was born, my mother had me, and then I was born, and my father had me too, but he didn't have me, so I wasn't born. But I did have... No. Yeah, well anyway, so my mother and father had me, and then... Well, not just my mother though, but my father had me too.
But just say where you were born.
Okay, so when I was I was given a name, and that was Kelly. So that's my name.
When I was born, I was given the name Bob. And so we put Bob and Kelly together, which made Belly. See? But when we were making a YouTube account, I actually did it. It was a bit of a typo. I see the N and the B are next to each other, and put Nelly instead. So we're stuck with that now. We're stuck with it. Yeah. The smile please bit is because smile please.
Smile, please. Because smiling is like the best thing ever, and everyone should smile.
You need to smile.
Everyone should smile because it's like, if you smile at someone in the street, it actually makes someone feel better. You don't know what's wrong with them, or maybe nothing is wrong, but there could be something wrong. You could make their day.
That's right. Number 2, tell us about your favourite school teacher.
I know what my favourite school teacher is. Right now, my favourite school teacher is my chemistry teacher because she is awesome. She's like so explosive, and I don't mean like when she walks into the room she explodes. I don't mean that. I mean she sets fire to tables.
My favourite teacher is my music teacher, Mr. Shepherd. He's amazing. He is so funny. So funny. He's brilliant. He's so funny. He is so
I
funny.
think he's funny.
He is so funny.
Funny.
Yeah, he's so funny.
I'm even laughing at the thought of him.
My eyes are misting. It's so funny. Number 3. What's the strangest thing you've ever eaten?
Oh.
That is a tough one.
I know, shells. I've eaten shells. That's strange. And I don't mean, I mean the shells on the sea. No, not on the sea, because they'd be down there. I mean on the beach.
I ate sand once.
Oh my gosh, maybe you were there on the beach and ate shells. Then you ate sand. We were working together to have a whole beach. We were going to take a beach home. I bet it makes sense.
Number 4. Tell us about your first gig.
I went to see McFly. Oh, wow, that was ages ago. That was in year 7 in like 2006.
I didn't go to a concert at all in my life. I never saw a band playing live until 2011 when I went to Glastonbury and I saw 20 bands. That was cool. Number 5. What is your favourite place in the world? My favourite place in the world? Scotland's pretty cool.
I don't know. It doesn't mean that country because, do you know, my favourite place is home. I don't know. Not home in my house. I just mean Wales is just like, it's a good place to be.
My favourite place in the world is anywhere underwater that's nice. The nicest place I've been diving is Gran Canaria, and it was really nice and beautiful, and it was all clear and there were lots of pretty fishes, all different colours and stuff.
My favourite country that I've been to is Egypt, and yeah, everyone should go there when they can, if they can. Luxor is the place to be.
Number 6. Who do you want to answer the survey next? Hey, do you know what? I haven't seen a video from Jane for a while. Jane should do it. Janey Bubble. Come on, why not? You haven't done a video in ages. You used to do them back before we did them. Yeah, Jane should do them. Jane, do it when you get back from
You
India.
said that so much. Okay, Jane. Jane, do it, okay? Be awesome. Be like, yay!
Okay, so thank you. Oh. So this was the Nelly Kiss Me Please. This was the Nelly Smile Please YouTube survey. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.